What makes applicants stand out the most for graduate school admissions is going to be two different things. So the first is showing deep engagement and expertise in whatever field that you're applying to. So if you're applying into law school, for example, you want to be able to show that you've done things that have to do with the law before. Maybe you've interned at a law firm, right? You've been a paralegal, you've done work for a couple of years, working in the kind of law that you're looking into apply into, right? You did the pre-law programs during your undergraduate degree. You took certain classes, right? Showing all of these different experiences that you've had that demonstrate clear and deep engagement with what you're trying to apply into, that really makes you stand out a lot more than somebody who just says, well, I want to go to law school, but I have nothing to really show for it. Nothing that I've done that has to do with law school or with, the law in general. That's the first thing. And that applies across schools. If you want to get your MBA, show that deep expertise in business. If you want to apply to medical school, show that engagement through medicine, right? The second key thing is being able to demonstrate a very good specific fit between you and the program that you're applying into. So it's not just saying, I'm a really good candidate, and it's not just saying you're a really good program. It's saying that we go good together. That's the key thing that you want to do. So you want to be very specific about how your background and interests and things that you can bring to the table will align with the university that you're applying to and their program. What offerings do they have that you're going to take advantage of? Why will you be a good person to contribute to those programs, right? So be sure that you emphasize that key point as well. And if you can do both of those things, show deep expertise or deep engagement, I should say, in your field and demonstrate fit, you will be a standout applicant no matter where you apply.